Good morning, students. This is a long experiment. So concentrate on the experiments. This is experiment number 3. Presence of nutrients in food. What are the nutrients we have learnt in class 6 or in 7? There are 5 in nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals and vitamins. And 2 others, water and roughage. So presence of nutrients in food. Okay, let's see how it starts. Experiment number 3, to study the presence of various nutrients in food, that is carbohydrate in sugar, carbohydrate that is starch, and carbohydrate provides energy to the body. That is important. Means we have to taste the presence of sugar, we have to taste the presence of starch. Both are carbohydrate, but both are different. Materials needed: test tube, sugar, water, Benedict solution. What is Benedict solution? It is just like a solution. We have already iodine solution. We know. Just like iodine solution, this is a solution which is used in taste of sugar. Benedict solution. Dropper, gas burner, matchbox, test tube holder, etc. And for second experiment, test tube, little atta or maida, water and iodine solution. For taste of starch. First is for taste of sugar, second is for taste of starch. Now how to do it? Potato. You have to need it potato, knife, dropper and iodine solution. Okay. Means we have to do all 3. First, taste for sugar. Take a little food stuff. Food stuff means we take any food and pour it in water. Then it becomes semi-solid type liquid. This is called food stuff. So, a little food stuff and crush it in a mortar with a pestle. Means बोलते हैं ना खल और वो मूसल, उसमें किसी चीज़ में उसको आपको ना कूट करके मिक्स कर देना, क्रश करना है. एंड ऐड लिटिल वाटर टू मेक सोल्यूशन. इट इज़ कॉल्ड फूड स्टफ सोल्यूशन. मीन्स अच्छे से उसको क्रश करके पानी में मिला देना है. और अगर वो नहीं कर सकते हो तो टेक अ लिटिल शुगर इन ए टेस्ट ट्यूब and add little water. This is more easier. Take sugar, pour it in water and add little water to make a solution. This is also called, take a little sugar in test tube and add little water to dissolve it to make solution. Now add 4-5 drops of Benedict solution to the food stuff and heat it over the flame. We put it in a test tube, take a test tube holder and then heat it in the burner. Now observe, both are the food stuffs, either by crushing or by adding sugar. Look at this. After some time you will see that our food stuffs becomes reddish brown. When it becomes reddish brown, it means the given material is of sugar, because there is a characteristics property of Benedict solution. It converts sugar into reddish brown color. Okay. Taste for presence of sugar in foodstuff solution. This was taste for sugar. चीनी डाल के बनाए थे. दूसरा है क्रश करके हम लोग किए थे. फूड स्टफ सोल्यूशन और शुगर सोल्यूशन प्लस 4-5 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ बेनेडिक्ट सोल्यूशन एंड हीट इट. ऑब्जर्वेशन, रेडिश ब्राउन कलर ऑब्टेन्ड. मीन्स इन्फरेंस मीन्स कंक्लूजन, मीन्स sugar is present because it is converted into reddish brown color, which is the property of Benedict solution, which converts sugar into reddish brown. Okay. The food material has sugar in it. How to do it? Now, next taste for starch. Above two experiment was for taste of sugar. Now taste for starch. Take a little wheat flour, atta, maida in a dry test tube and add little water to make a solution. Okay? मिला करके और एक solution बनाना है. Now add a few drops of iodine solution with the help of dropper. Or take a potato and cut it into 2 or more pieces. Cut it into 2. And then make a place. एक गड्ढा जैसा बना लो पोटैटो के बीच में. Put a drop of iodine solution with a dropper on the cut surface. वो जो बीच में हमने बनाया ना होल जैसा, बिल्कुल होल नहीं बनाना है, just to cut it. And with the help of dropper, pour few drops of iodine solution. What you observed? Food stuff solution in a dry test tube plus 4-5 drops of iodine solution and cut piece of potato plus few drops of iodine solution. In both cases, the material converted into blue-black color. Potato जहाँ पे डाला गया था, that part becomes blue-black color. Or test tube where we put atta with water becomes blue-black color in color. And this indicates that the given material is of starch, because iodine has property, it converts starch into blue-black color. Look at the picture. blue-black color हो गया जहाँ पे हमने डाला था, that part. हम लोग उसको थोड़ा सा ना चाकू से गोद के थोड़ा गड्ढा ऐसा कर देते हैं ताकि उसमें आराम से आयोडीन ड्रॉप्स जो है चला जाए. नेक्स्ट, कंक्लूजन. द फूड मटीरियल हैज स्टार्च इन इट. ओके. नाउ थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट. फर्स्ट वाज फॉर sugar, second was for starch. Now third is for protein. Here we take two chemicals. Watch, what are they? For protein. And fourth one is for taste of fat or oil. Okay. Protein. What is protein? Protein is a body building material and oil is energy providing nutrients. Fat and carbohydrate gives us energy. Fat gives an instant energy, means एकदम से energy देता है. So material needed for C, test tube, gram seed. We all know that all seeds, because seeds have capacity to develop a very large tree. Seeds जो है वो उसके अंदर कैपेसिटी होता है एक बहुत बड़े पेड़ को जन्म देने का. सो हेयर सीड्स आर मेड अप ऑफ मोस्टली प्रोटीन. दैट्स वाई वी हैव टेकन ग्राम सीड्स और बेसन. फर्स्ट केमिकल इज ब्लू विट्रियोल सोल्यूशन. इट इज आई थिंक कॉपर सल्फेट. एंड सेकेंड इज कास्टिक सोडा, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. टू केमिकल्स वी टेक dropper. And for D, white paper, hammer, mustard, or anything. This is also seed, mustard, peanuts, almond seeds, or dry coconut pieces. All in both cases are seeds. So for C, taste for protein. Take food stuff or besan into water. Just pour it into water. Add 2 drops of blue vitriol. Look, this is copper sulfate solution. And then 7-8 drops of caustic soda. 2 1 by 1. Shake the content of the test tube and observe the change. What happens? Violet color. Food stuff solution in a dry test tube plus 2 drops of blue vitriol means copper sulfate solution. And then add 7-8 drops of caustic soda and shake it well. What is the observation? A violet color obtained. Now this food stuffs looks like violet color, and that violet color indicates us that the given material is protein, because these two chemicals have property, it converts protein into violet color. Okay, hope you understood. Just remember the name of the chemicals. This is test for protein. Food stuff, 2 drops of blue vitriol and 7-8 drops of caustic soda, and it gives violet color. Okay, using dropper. Next, conclusion, food stuff has protein in it. D, taste for fat. Fat, crush a few mustard seeds, almond seed, dry coconut piece in a fold of paper and see for the प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्रीजी ऑयली स्पॉट ऑन पेपर. पेपर के बीच में मस्टर्ड सीड को या आमंड ड्राई कोकोनट को डालकर और हैमर से आपको उसको कूटना है. थोड़ी देर के बाद यू विल सी स्पॉट्स, ग्रीजी स्पॉट्स, ऑयली स्पॉट ऑन इट. उसमें से ऑयल निकल करके पेपर में लग गया. कंक्लूजन, द सीड्स हैव फैट और ऑयल इन इट. Here we don't use any chemical, just to watch. Result, food stuff has nutrients, that is fat. Write the experiment observation table and draw the diagram. Look at this mustard seed और हैमर से उसको, और उसके बाद देखो ये ऑयली स्पॉट्स आ गया. They are at that places paper becomes translucent. You can see slightly hazy of the other side picture. Any other food material can be used for above taste. जो भी तुम्हारे घर में है, you can do it. Now be careful. Test tube must be clean and dry. Use separate test tube for each experiment. Use food stuff solution in less quantity. लैब में हम लोग बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज़ करते हैं. यूज ड्रॉपर टू सेपरेट फॉर सेपरेट केमिकल्स. डू नॉट यूज वन ड्रॉपर फॉर एवरी, क्योंकि फिर रिएक्शन हो जाएगा ना. यूज टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर फॉर होल्डिंग द टेस्ट ट्यूब व्हेन यू आर हीटिंग. नाउ कम टू व्हाट इज फूड स्टफ सोल्यूशन. द सोल्यूशन ऑब्टेन्ड आफ्टर डिजॉल्विंग food stuff material in water is called food stuff. बच्चे पूछेंगे ना व्हाट इज़ फूड स्टफ. तो जब फूड को है ना क्रश करके वाटर में मिक्स कर देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड फूड स्टफ. नेम द फूड मटीरियल दैट हैज़ प्रोटीन इन इट. ग्राम सीड्स, एग. विच फूड न्यूट्रिएंट इज प्रेजेंट इन पोटैटो एंड टेस्टेड बाय आयोडीन सोल्यूशन. इट इज स्टार्च. आयोडीन सोल्यूशन मीन्स स्टार्च टेस्ट. Why do crushed seeds of mustard show greasy spot on paper? Mustard seeds have oil in it. उसके अंदर होता है. What is the role of protein in body? It builds our body. Body building. Now question. Sugar is protein, carbohydrate, fat, oil. It is not protein, it is not fat, it is not oil, it is carbohydrate, a type of carbohydrate. Iodine solution is used to test protein, carbohydrate, fat and oil, none of these. Iodine solution is used for the taste of starch. So I have written none of these. When Benedict solution is added to a foodstuffs having sugar, the solution turns reddish brown. Not violet, not yellow, not red. It becomes reddish brown. Okay. So that's all for today. Concentrate and give more time to understand all these things and remember all the chemicals name. So thank you so much.